Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, now I'm going to put a clear coat on this. I did the epoxy to make it look like marble, and I think it came out pretty good. I put that video up already, and now I wanted to show that you can put a clear coat over it, which will give it more durability and more depth. So the important thing is to mix your product the ratio that it says, and make sure you mix it the duration that it tells you to. This happens to be a 1-to-1, and when you mix it, it says approximately mixing 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't quite do that, but I made sure I had the 1-to-1 ratio, and I mixed it quite a bit. Then I let it sit for a few seconds, and then I mixed it again. And I kept this process up. No. Okay, I pour it on, and then I use the notch trowel. You can pour a little bit more on and then spread it out with your trowel, but make sure you put plenty of material down. Okay, I go back and forth, and then this is putting a pretty even coat on top of the countertop. I'm doing several tops at the same time, which makes it a little bit more difficult, but I just want to mix one time and complete all the tops. Okay, pour enough material down, run your notch trowel over it. It's going to move the material to be the same amount each wear on top of the countertop, so that when it flattens out, you get a really nice depth. All right, now as you spread it, just keep moving along, and then you may see some bubbles that start to appear. And to get rid of them, you use a heat gun. I've got it pretty well leveled out right now, so I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'll get the heat gun to it. All right, it's looking really good, but there's a few bubbles. Get your heat gun. Doesn't have to be real powerful. Just watch where you're at. You don't want to touch the top with the cord, but move it across, and the bubbles just disappear. I really like this material. It goes down smoothly, and I really enjoy doing this. Well, tomorrow I'll be putting in the sink and getting ready to install this cabinet. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope to see you on the next one.